The 4 reasons why a customer should pay for an OBD scan to diagnose a problem with their vehicle, even if no repairs have been made. Number 1. Cost of scan tool. OBD scan tools are specialized diagnostic equipment that can be expensive to purchase and maintain. For this reason, many mechanics and repair shops charge a fee for using their equipment. Number 2. Labor cost. Even if the scan tool is used only to diagnose an issue and no repairs are needed, a mechanic's time is still valuable. Charging a fee for the use of the equipment compensates the mechanic for their time and expertise. Number 3. Subscription fee. Some OBD scanning tools require a subscription to access the latest update of the vehicle database, and these fees can be expensive.
Number 4. Preventive maintenance. Even if no issues are detected during the scan, the data gathered can be valuable in identifying potential problems before they become major issues. This could save customers money in the long run by preventing more costly repairs down the line. In summary, while it may be frustrating to have to pay for diagnostic services when no repairs are needed, there are several factors that contribute to this cost, including equipment and labor costs, subscription fees, and the potential for preventative maintenance.